an original from 1957 and then worked backwards from that to make it in incredible detail, right down to the rivets, every one. The number and the position is as it was. And there's over 2,000 of them. But it was the engine that was the trickiest bit. The plans for that weren't destroyed in the fire. In fact, I've got a copy of them here. But there was a page missing. So they had to get an original engine and saw it in half to find out how it worked. No one has ever made a car like this before. It's a world first. So it's small wonder it's priced at just over £1 million.